Hi guys! So I've gotten some questions about how to use different tools online, and I decided to go ahead and make a series of videos for you. I've already done videos on how to use all resources like eSpark and Reading A to Z, so you can find those resources in the Resources tab on Google Classroom. But here's a video about Google Slides. So I'm going to be doing a few about Google Slides, Google Docs, and different things so that you, if you don't know how to use them, or your child doesn't know how, you can use them to create. Okay, Google Slides is a wonderful thing. We're going to be using it for the rest of our friends of the week who aren't able to do it on a poster. They're going to create a Google Slides poster for us. Google Slides is just one of the many apps that Google offers. My platform I'm using right now is Google Chrome on a MacBook, so yours might look different depending on the type of computer you use or what online platform you're using, like Safari or Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome for everything because it's just so easy. I can add different tabs and easily post things to the classroom and such. If you begin at the Google homepage, it is easiest. Make sure you're signed in to the profile that you wish to use. If it is your child using it, then go into their profile. You don't have to worry about safety because we have it set up that their school email limits what they are allowed to use. For example, they cannot access Google Hangouts and chat, so you don't have to worry about their safety online. If they're signed in to Google via their school email, they can only access the basic tools like Google Docs, Google Slides, and things they might need for school. If you're on Chrome, you can see it has apps up here. Otherwise, you can go over here. This is called, I call it the waffle block, and this is where we access Classroom, Docs, Sheets, all these amazing things. Now remember, your child's profile, they cannot access Meet, they cannot access Google Chat, or anything that allows them to communicate with other people online. So I'm going to go into Google Slides. And it opens up here. You can see a list of my slides we've used. We're going to the forest, we're creating number stories, we're doing nouns soon. So up here we have the template gallery. If you want to choose a slide that is already designed, you can choose one, or you can go to blank and design it yourself. Okay, I'm going to go to blank so that I can show you how to use the different tools. You title it here. I'm going to title ours example slides. Okay, this is the theme. The theme is the background of the slides. So I'm in the font. You can create your own by just clicking on here and choosing your own font, or you can choose something that's already designed. Okay, you can add and delete text boxes. Here's a text box, and change the font and size of the font however you would like. You can move them around simply by clicking and finding all little arrows there and moving it around. Okay. You can design it however you want. You want to change the theme, come over here. You can also close that. You can change the layout. The layout changes where the text boxes are, or you can make it completely blank and add your own. And then you can change the color of the background. Let's make it red. You could choose an image. And what I love about this is you can upload your own picture, or you can just go into Google and say, I'm looking for something about forests. Ooh, I like that one. Let's go. Oh, no, that one. Let's use that one. Insert. And it creates a beautiful background. You want to make the same type of slide with the same background. Right click, duplicate background. If you're on a laptop, many laptops are 2 fingers down. If you do just simply a new slide, it's going to be blank. You can also click this arrow and choose, I want a new slide with that one. Okay, you can also just click on the slide and delete it. Oh, I can't see my text. Let's go up here and change the color to white or gray. Now I can see it. I really like this font. Okay, I can move this box around. If I go to insert, I can insert image. Again, I can search on the web. I will upload it myself. Text box, I can add sound. I can add a video. For example, I could go to YouTube and add my video about forests and make it as large as I would like. Mute the audio and choose. I can choose, I'm only going to play a small portion of the video. Let's do 0 to 30 seconds. 30 seconds of the video. And it would only play 30 seconds of the video. Oh, I don't want that video anymore. Good to delete it. Okay. The best way to learn about different tools like Google Sites is just to go on and experiment. I mean, that's how I learned, is throughout my life, just experimenting and working with them. And I use a lot of slides in the classroom because I can put them right up on a smart board. The students can even go up and manipulate them with their hands on the touchscreen. Okay. You can also find slides on your phone. You can do slides on the iPad if you have one. It really is a great tool, a great teaching tool too, because to present to the slide, I just push there. I can also present with presenter view. So on my screen or my smart board or whatever I'm presenting on, the audience will see this. Oh, where did the W go? But where's my notes? I will see any notes that I've placed on, and I can control the slides, and it shows me a timer. So like if I was screencasting my screen to the smart board or to a TV, they would see this, but I would get to see my notes as well. And I definitely do that while I'm teaching sometimes. To add notes, you just go down here, and it doesn't show up on the presentation. And I really like this background. Okay. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know. To share a slide, you simply type in a name or email address here. You can choose, they can edit it, they can comment, or they can only view it. And go to many different options here. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I will be creating videos for as many tools as I can, but please reach out. Again, I am resource number 1. So I am here for you. Okay, love you guys. Bye-bye.